Okay, Masters. Welcome everyone. We have finished last week about six spiritual tablets, and this week we'll be discussing the balanced six spiritual tablets. The seventh spiritual tablet is reading spiritual books. It is known as Swadhyayam in the Sanskrit word. In our spiritual career, we should read the books also because we will get the experiences. Because the masters already they have went through their life experiences and same thing they have put it in the books. Again, we did not take so many lifetimes or years again to undergo same experiences. The books which are written by the authors, they have their own life experience they are sharing. When we read those experiences, what happens? That essence we can take from that books, and we'll have many questions, and we'll get that questions, the questions answers through the books or through meditation or the sharing of experience like this. The reading of books, that's why it plays a very important role. So daily at least you should at least 5-10 minutes you can just read the book, and like that you should gain wisdom from these great authors. That is very important in our spiritual career also. Reading the spiritual books. First you read the books, then you can distribute the books. Others so that the others can also gain the knowledge of the books. So this is the importance of reading the spiritual books. And next one is sharing spiritual experiences. When we are in the group meditation everywhere, now everyone has got their own experiences. We have to share, we have to come forward and share the experiences because your experience can help them and they can get very much benefit. You might take the example, anyone has cured in any health issue. You are sharing one your experience, how you cured a health issue. It might help for them in that case. So it's very important that we share our spiritual experiences with our friends or the master whom we are meeting. Just share. It will be like an inspiration for them. In the family members, you can just share how you cured your health or how your life is present. Just share experiences. Experience not be very big, even it can be very small also, but you should share that small experience because when that small experiences you share that miracles, that is only big thing in the life. That's very important in our life. We should always share the experiences to the friends, masters, everywhere. Soul ascension is faster during the group exchange of experiences. You can easily connect to the divine when you are sharing that experiences during meditation, after meditation, everything. It plays a very important role. Next is health science classes, like attending the seminar sessions. Example, which we are doing now. We are attending on a weekly basis, once basis. Try to attend any courses, sessions by any senior masters, because you will gain the knowledge and wisdom, and that you can apply it practically. So you should at least how you attend in the office. Any update is there, a new changes has come. How they'll host any seminar about any related. In the same way, in spiritual also, we have many seminars going on, classes going on. Try to attend whenever you're free, gain that wisdom. How you're gaining from books, like that, they can also share any new topics. So try to attend those classes and gain the wisdom. That is health science classes. It is simple. It's a place where we share experiences, health and classes. Now we are sitting here. Now we are sharing experience here. Like that, wherever you can meet anywhere, but fix one place and you can share your experiences and meet regularly because our doubts someone can give answers and your doubts I can go like that. It is interchange of the experiences only, and it might help very much. So that's very much important. Health science classes. Next is the 10th one is the regular counseling. If you're having any doubts, always with the senior masters go for the counseling because with their experiences they can give you your proper guidance. So it is very much important to take counseling. That's important. How when we have doubts in school, we ask teachers. In the same way, in the spiritual path, we have many like that. The spiritual tablets organization has many health centers like that. You can go for the counsel. You can take the appointment, take the counseling, and based on your how we told based on your dreams or experiences, they can decode it and they can give suggest the right books for you. So it's very much helpful in our life. So have that regular counseling with the senior masters, have that regular follow up with them. They will guide you. That's important. On a monthly basis, it depends on you how you can on monthly basis or weekly. You can just connect to them. That's very much important. Next one is in unison with the nature. What we are doing now. When we are meditating, try to be with the nature in the parks, or you can go to any forest, or you can go to the mountains, anywhere with the near the water, beaches. It has got very much energies. So we should try to connect ourselves with the nature because nature has got that energy healing power. So always try to, if possible, try to meditate in nature with the trees, with the plants. That's what, because always we are in house itself and we are the normal fan or AC. When we come with the nature, what happens? It is the fresh air which you take, and if any, if you have any questions, how I told you in the books, you get the answers. In the same way, the nature gives answers for you. So always try to be in connection with the nature. It's very much amazing. As you, all of us know, we can speak with the trees. How we speak with humans, we can communicate with the trees. It gives really answers. You can just hug a tree. Whatever you are having any sorrows, it just takes away and just it fills you with the energies. So always try to be connected to nature. Just sit in the water also. Just feel it. It will, so when we take the bath, what happens? The water is whatever is dust is there, just cleansing off, and it's filling with energy. So when you take the bath, what happens? You feel very energetic because there is so much consciousness energy in the water. That's the reason we should try to be connected with these natural elements: water, air, the mountains, forests. If possible, whenever, that's why we go for trekking also. We are just in the nature, enjoying the nature. So it's very much important to be with the nature, the plants. Just speak with the plants. If you have doubts, just tell them. That's it. You will get, if you have the trust, you will get back the answer. Just that's important. Next one is spiritual science service. How we do social service. People are donating blood. People are giving food for others. They are giving money. In the same way, spiritual science service is the highest service. Because when you are, example, when you are doing a food donation, you I'm giving a food to that person. Again after 1 hour, 2 hours, again he's hungry. Here what happens? He is dependent on us. He's not independent. And it's only for that moment what donation is doing. But when you're donating any wisdom or knowledge, example spiritual knowledge, he becomes independent. And it is not only for that lifetime, it is carry forward for many lifetimes also. So we can do spiritual service, sorry, social service, but spiritual science service is the highest service of all, because this is not only for that moment or that second. You are making that person independent, and that is carried forward to many lifetimes also. What wisdom is gaining. Anything you can take example, which you are doing social service. You are giving food, it is only for that moment. Again, next day he wants the food again. Again he comes back to you and is dependent on you. When you are telling about this meditation, as we last week we discussed, slowly we become breatharians, means we depend only on the breath only. When he is having that wisdom of with the meditation, he not depend on anyone, because food is only some part, it's not life. With the breath also many people are surviving. Like that wisdom he gains, and any problems having, he will be very strong enough. He doesn't fear it. That's important. That knowledge is very much helpful for people, because recent I also saw, now in the curriculum in the schools and colleges, they are adding the spirituality also in their curriculum, because this is the thing which we require in the curriculum, not what to study the physics, chemistry. That you can't apply in our practical life situations. When you're stressed in office, you can't apply those things. Your spiritual aspect comes into picture. Example, meditation, it is making you calm down, relaxing. So try to do this service. Social service into spiritual service is a spiritual science service. So this is the highest service which you can give to the people. That's why I have fixed in my life, whomever I meet, I'll just share about the meditation to them. What benefit I have got, I want that benefit to reach every person. Simple. And do it without any expectation. That is very much important. If you are doing with any expectation, it's like business you're doing, it is not service. you are doing something and you're getting return. That is like, it's a business, give and take. So you do it with full heartedly, don't expect anything. That is should be very much important. And you're doing service, do without any expectation, and don't have any attachment to that. What happens when you do that service something, if it's not happen as per the thing, then again the suffering comes. So just do it, and the universe will know it what you're doing. You not prove other one, I am doing this service. Just do the service full heartedly. Right time, whatever has to reach, it will definitely reach. You not prove to others, I have done service, like that. Just do it. Universe knows everything what you're doing. That's it's important. These are the 6 tablets which I wanted to share. If you are having any doubts, you can just ask. Masters, thank you for GK sir, who has founded this concept of spiritual tablets. These are the basic 12 tablets, and like that we are having 350 plus tablets for everything. Specific tablet is there. Every health issue or healthy any specific disease, everything has got specific spiritual tablet. If you share that one to the counselor, they will tell the spiritual tablet, and as per that you can just follow which books you have to read, what guidance to take. Everything is given specific, but these are the basic 12 tablets which you can apply in our life regularly. If you have any doubts, you can ask even in online or here also. If you have doubts, you can just ask anything doubts you're having. If you want to add anything, you can add anything.
Thanks.
I'll ask you only if you have any doubts.
Like any questions you like.
Any questions?
No, we are still. I came out and I went back in.
Yeah, I saw you.
You are in deep state, I think so, today.
That's
Yeah.
good.
You are in very deep state meditation today.
Yeah, I was.
Very deep. You can just see the face and tell.
It's impressive.
Very deep state you are.
I came out and then I heard you saying something and I said, back again.
Is there a meaning behind the? You had your hands like this, and then you
Hello?
had your hands like this.
Sridhar sir, any
Hello?
doubts? Or how?
Sir.
Anything to add, sir?
Yes.
It's okay. I understand all these things. I'm studying also. It's very nice.
Okay.
One thing I want to share. Last week, actually,
Sorry.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Last week, actually, what happened in my office? Someone is having this positive, this
Okay.
corona.
Okay.
So immediately they told me to test my and my friend both.
Okay.
So both we are mixed with him.
Okay.
Then I thought, okay, we'll test it, no problem. Then I came to home. Then I told, okay, just on 5 minutes, I told I will get negative. Kalas. Then I went to the hospital. I tested. Next, after 24 hours, result came. It is negative.
Really,
So-
if your thought is weak, that gets happened there. That's for sure.
Yeah.
That's
So
very strong.
yeah, it should be strong. So that is why how the thought. We have to be very conscious and we have to be very perfect.
Yeah.
Yes, it's nice.
So this PDF also shared in the group, and the balance 6 tablets I will share in the group today. The Word file which is having the detailed explanation. You can just go through it. If you can refer any notes, you can refer any time.
Yes, sir. Sure,
Yes.
sure.
Thanks a lot for joining.
Okay. Sure, sir.
Meena madam, if you want to share anything, you can just add or
Yeah, hi Sankeet. I was listening. I was offline, but I was listening to all your sessions last week and this week as well.
Okay.
And I don't know about spiritual tablets. I heard it, but now I got an idea what these spiritual tablets by Dr. GK that he has implemented. And it's very nice to bring it to the team and explaining to all of us. Thank you very much for your time.
Thanks for your time. Thanks for joining, madam. Thanks a lot. Yes, masters. Today we will end the session. If you want to add anything, you can add, or otherwise we can just end the session today. Okay. But Ramya madam could not join because the internet was very low there, so she was not able to join and tell the class. Next time she might join and she might explain anything required. She will explain in detail for us. Because she had called after some time. Her internet is not proper in their hometown, so she was not able to log in today. Sorry for that. Okay, masters, I will end the session. Thank you all for joining the session. I will share the Word file in the group. You can just go through it. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Fine.
Thank you, sir.
Really, this is very good information, and it gives a very one spiritual aspect. Really, very nice
Yes,
in
sir,
group meditation.
it is very much important, sir. Along
Yes,
with
sir.
the professional career and personal life, this is also important. All three
Yeah.
should go parallelly. Our personal life, family, our professional life, office, and the spiritual career. All three should go parallelly. That's very much important. Not like
Yes,
only
yes.
focusing on one thing. All three things you should balance it in life and just go in the life. That's very much important.
Correct, correct, correct.
Many people focus only on the family and office. They don't even care for the spiritual career. Even that is required because many things we learn from the spiritual knowledge. We can
Correct.
apply it in our practical lives because we learn like
Yeah.
no judgments, no complaints. If anything happening, we take positively. Those things we learn here only. There it is very
Correct.
less learning is there like that. Many wisdoms what we gain in spirituality, those things you can apply it in our practical life. Many people tell after our age 60 plus, then we should start spiritual. It's not like that. At the early age only we have to start our meditation, everything, because it helps in our studies for the in the schoolings. The spiritual knowledge is required from the very early age. Not it's like when we retirement then we require knowledge. That is the biggest misconception in the people. That should go in the people. That's very much wrong. Which people are having that misconception? After the retirement, we start meditation. At early age, children should start meditation and they will have amazing life.
Yes.
That's
It
important.
is. It is like a part of the life we have to treat every day. How we are drinking and how we are taking breath. So it is also part of the life. We have to take it as in that way. Then only it will be successful.
Perfect. It should become basic need. Simple.
Basic. Yes.
How
Yes.
we take our food, water daily, like that. Just meditate daily. It should become our basic need.
Correct.
Thanks a lot. Thanks for
Yeah.
joining everyone.